Hello guys, welcome to my channel Life School. In this video today, we will speak about how to break bad habits and build a better life. Do you find yourself trapped in the same cycles? Doing the same things over and over that you told yourself you were going to stop? You're not alone. Stopping bad habits can be a battle, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're exploring exactly how to escape the habits that are holding you back and create a life you love. Let's get started. Part 1. Understand the habit loop. All habits, good, bad, or anything in between, are a simple loop: cue, routine, reward. The cue causes the behavior. The routine is the behavior. The reward is what your brain receives from it. Suppose you reach for your phone every few minutes. The cue could be boredom. The routine is grasping for your phone. The reward? A fast jolt of dopamine. With your loop in mind, you can begin to break it up. Part 2. Identify your triggers. Begin by watching your habits. When do they occur? Where are you? What are you feeling at the moment? Put it down. Patterns will begin to emerge. That knowledge is your first weapon. Maintain a habit journal for 7 days. Part 3. Replace, don't erase. You can't simply stop a habit, you must replace it. Suppose you'd like to end snacking at night. Don't simply tell yourself no snacks. Substitute the habit. Have a cup of tea. Take a short walk. Stretch. Reward your brain with something new to anticipate. Part 4. Make it hard to slip. Make your environment conducive to your goals. Want to watch TV less? Unplug it or take the batteries out of the remote. Want to scroll less? Move social media apps away from your home screen or get rid of them for some time altogether. Make bad habits hard. Make good habits easy. Part 5. Use small wins to build momentum. Don't underestimate the power of small steps. You don't need your whole life rewritten in one night. Begin with tiny wins. 10 minutes of reading rather than 1 hour of scrolling. 1 healthy meal per day rather than a crash diet. Small wins create trust in yourself, and trust is everything. Part 6. Forgive slip-ups and stay consistent. You will fail. We all do. What you do next is what is important. Don't use failure as a reason to quit. Use it as data. Learn, adjust, keep moving. Consistency isn't perfection. It's showing up repeatedly. Stopping bad habits isn't removing the bad. It's filling the void with something good. A better habit, a better way of thinking, a better existence. And it begins with one step. So what bad habit are you stopping today? If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more self-improvement tips, and share it with someone who needs a nudge.